I see you have returned, my hungry people, to receive a full lecture on how to cook my yellow corn cob soup. Let us begin by dividing this sweet yellow corn into halves. Hi-ya! Now, slice a piece of tomato and chop this carrot into cubes. Grab a bowl of onion and chop away. Chog, chog, chog. I also found some very green leeks that will make this soup look luscious later. It's now time to position your corn into the casserole for boiling purposes. 2,000 milliliters of H2O should be enough to create a jacuzzi to submerge these corns for a boiling spa experience. Now dump in a few pieces of star anise and quickly fill in the carrots and tomatoes while I secretly add in my mysterious seasoning granules for that umami taste. Muchacha!
Do not add too much MSG.
Yes, muchacha, I will obey. The onions are next to join my jacuzzi pot of wonders before we add some onion and garlic powder. Don't forget to give it a light stir. Finally, slide in the luscious leeks. Also, garnish with some fried garlic and a dash of black pepper. Lastly, a few drips of sesame oil should complete my wonderful yellow corn cob soup creation. Everyone who watches this will like, subscribe and press the bell button.